May river, di ba? So, salt lang to?
Salt lang to?
Wala, andito siya, river.
Welcome to SIPALAY City. My name is Ferna. If you are new to this channel, I am from the Philippines promoting local travel through my own experiences. This time, a day island tour in SIPALAY City is one that you'd see in this video. We go up in the ante. Adredes because this city is labeled as the jewel of Sugar Island, known for its hilly coast of islets and caves. We took 123 steps on the stairs to fully see the stunning views of the islets. Nag-vlog na po ng isa, oh. Vlogger na si Auntie. Welcome to Tinagong Dagat Beach, where I'm not sure how many meters distance would this be, but this is the bridge. It's very lower area, and then connecting from that side of the road to this Latasan resort, and this is the end, the Latasan Beach Resort. Okay, so welcome, it's nice to be here. Passing through Seaview Resort, and on the other side is Perth Paradise.
Nagubay lang pool. Floating bar.
Murag naguba man po ng ilang kuno.
Pero ilang pool, okay lang. Ilang swimming pool. Katong na view ba?
Swimming pool infinity nila, okay na sa babaw.
We're stopping here at Bus Point, the Marine Sanctuary area for your island hopping. So this is in Campomanes Bay, and we were paying 50 pesos for the sanctuary fee.
It's my life. Lazy. It's my life. I got dirty. Hotel room, tangled up with you. I'm in
Campomanes Bay, which we are going to enter in the Maasin Cave. And this is the Maasin Cave going in. And this is part of the option 2 tour. So that is our boat there. You have to use your aqua shoes. Wait, see. Ba't lagi? Oh, natulog sila. Nocturnal. So this is the view at the back of Maasin Cave. Such a beauty actually. So we are wrapping up our island day tour with our late lunch here at Artistic Diving Resort. Thank you for watching this video. Check out local travel experience by following Everywhere with Ferna. Cost of the boat and its details are posted in the caption. Follow for more!